And it goes a little something like
you all summer and after I'll keep you all summer and after I'll keep you all summer and after I'll keep.
Hey guys, so it's currently like I think 12 p.m. 1 p.m. actually. I need to get going. I have 2 clients today, one in South Sea and one in Riverside, so I need to get that shit. I'm having a little bit of yogurt and then we're gonna go. I just look so tired from last night, right? Like the event from last night. I look so tired, right? To go and then deal with my first client. I have to meet her like around 2:30 and then my other clients are around 4 or 5. And then I might be having like a family dinner today. Today's like a very busy day. I wasn't expecting this much work. A little bit, but other than that, I'm having the blueberry on the bottom. I don't know, this like range from the bio yogurts is my favorite. I really like that fruit at the bottom. I like the raspberry one. The blueberry one is also really good. I have tried the, I think it's the apple butterscotch or something like that. That one's, it's okay, but it's not like my favorite, but I really like it. And I've seen they have like Greek yogurts and all that stuff now, so I'm excited to try them. Hey guys, so I'm currently waiting for my sister to come to the car so we can go to the supermarket and get a few stuff. But yeah, today's gonna be a packed day, so we're gonna go. Whoa. It's so hot. I'm literally dying. I can't even hold like the steering wheel. So hot.
Y enséñame ese pasito que no sé, un besito bien suavecito, bebé. Taqui taqui, taqui taqui rumba. Y una flota como Nagasaki. Prende los motores Kawasaki. En la discota Jenny llegaron los Ananaki, no le paren.
Guys, I'm headed to one of my clients' place right now. I just got to her estate.
Strangely, he feels at home in this. Often I'm upset that I cannot fall in love, but I guess it's the voice, the stress of falling out of it. Are you tired of me yet?
Can I make you guys listen to my playlist for a second? I think we should do that as we wait.
Barbie tipping, I'm the boss. Barbie work it, I ain't got no choice. I'm all yours. Barbie kissing with the body, always thinking like a hottie, always saying what somebody won't do.
Drip too hard, don't stand too close. You gon' fuck around, drown off this wave, doing our shows. I'm in the road. I got you skinny dipping deep inside my head.
It's in the way you see.
Every time you move, you're looking like you're dancing.
Guys, finally back home. Long day. My family went out for dinner. I couldn't join them. I was busy working, but they brought me food and I'm so excited. Quick unboxing from CJ's. Okay, here's a little shopping bag. They got me like an Oreo shake. Yum. So like the utensils and stuff that it comes with. This is like the noodles, the Thai noodles with like peanut sauce and chicken and all that stuff. I'm so excited to eat this. I've been following that case. Do you guys think Jackie had a part in it, or she was just, oh, she's thick? Do you guys think Jackie had like part in the murder, or do you think she was just covering for her fiance what he did, or do you think she was actually an accomplice to what happened? Although even if she was covering up for him, she's an accomplice, but I mean like literally she was. But yeah, I think I'm gonna end this vlog here. I'm so exhausted, I'm so tired. I think I'll see you guys tomorrow.
Strangely, he feels at home in this. Often I'm upset.
Morning guys, I am getting ready to go to school. I decided I'll just add on to that vlog that I ended on Saturday. On Saturday because it was quite short. It's like 4 minutes, and I know you guys like longer vlogs, so I'm trying to lengthen that up. So this morning I have school, and yeah, basically that's it. I have school And then afterwards I think I'm gonna go to Box with a couple of friends and my sister, and just, you don't know, Box has like all these board games and all that stuff, so that's what we're gonna do. I'm wearing this Golden Rose lipstick in the Vision lipstick. It's like a cream lipstick. It's a nude shade and the number 101. I love it. So before I go, I want to talk to you guys about like something. I don't know, I feel like I should start vlogging like my school experience and whatnot, like bring you guys into that life more. I feel like it'll help me as much as helping you guys out there, because I know I struggle a lot. Not that I struggle a lot with school, but it is a lot. Juggling YouTube and school it gets overwhelming sometimes, but alhamdulillah I get to manage it. So I thought I'll bring you guys in. So hopefully next week, inshallah, I'm gonna start like life of a computer science student and stuff, and like go to uni with me and like exam week and all that stuff. So let me know if you guys give this video a thumbs up if you guys would like to see such type of vlogs and everything. But yeah, but let me stop talking too much and I'll see you guys when I get to school. I probably wouldn't vlog that much in school anyway, because it's school, and I don't know, that's usually like my safe haven. Like, I don't know, it's nice being like in an environment where people don't know you, you know what I mean? I don't talk a lot in school, like I don't have that much friends. I have a couple here and here, and my classmates obviously that I know, but other than that I am quite like alone in school, and I enjoy that. I like that. So yeah, let me catch you guys in school. I have to go. So currently in the computer lab, and I'm just getting some work done with my computer. It's quite empty. Let me show you guys what it looks like. I'm currently just editing some videos before I leave in a couple of hours. But yeah, that's my plan. I'm bending so much because the camera's like down here, but let me do this. I hope I have enough time to just upload a video.
Strangely he feels at home in this. But strangely he feels at home in this. Often I'm upset that I cannot fall in love, but I guess it's the voice, the stress of falling out of it. Are you tired of me yet? I'm a little sick right now, but I swear when I'm ready I will fly us out of it. Thank you. Strangely he feels at home in this. But strangely he feels at home in this. Often I'm not.
I'm just vlogging. We're here at Box, guys. It's so quiet. So you just update people what you're doing. So empty. It's like parked outside. You can see like groups of different people, but inside it's like completely empty. And the camera is about to go off. It's like blinking. It's about to go off anytime.
But strangely he feels at home in this. Often I'm upset that I cannot fall.
Just made it to Box, and yeah, we're here to play games. It's so loud. The view is stunning. Okay, not you, but the country.
Oh my god, I'm not hot. Oh wow,
You know the vlog.
yes. You know what happened?
Hi.
Fall in love, but I guess it's the voice, the stress of falling out of it. Are you tired of me yet? I'm a little sick right now, but I swear when I'm ready I will fly us out of it.